Today I'm working on the seat back corner panels for the front seat of a 1955 Pontiac Chieftain. These two recently came out of a car in need of restoration, and this is most likely 60-year-old pieces. They appear to be original. This is for the driver's side, and then this is the passenger side. And they're a little rusty. And then these two came out of another car, and I have already removed the vinyl covering off of them. And I'm working on sandblasting them, and then I'm going to prime them to keep them from rusting again. And then these will be ready to go to an upholsterer to have a new vinyl put on it. And after I'm sandblasting them, I'm putting a tape over the rubber components so that that does not get painted and just the metal is painted. So the first thing I'm going to do, or I should say the next thing I'm going to do, is I'm going to put this in the sandblaster and get it sandblasted. I have the blast cabinet all set up and ready to go, and we like to use coal slag for our media. We found that it works very well in the blast cabinet, and it'll take me a while to blast this, but it does a really nice job of cleaning up the metal. And I think it's currently clogged, so I'll have to get it unclogged. It took me between 35 and 40 minutes to sandblast this piece in the blast cabinet, and during that time the sunlight shifted, so I had to move my pieces from the trunk of the car to the hood. It's certainly time-consuming to do the sandblasting, but I like the way that the metal looks after being blasted. It does an excellent job of getting rid of the rust, so I believe it's well worth the effort. My next step is going to be to remove the small staples that you can see in this rubbery material. They were used to hold the vinyl on. You can see them on this piece here. Since the vinyl has been removed, there's no reason to leave these in place, the small staples in place on this one. The large staples are used to hold the rubbery pieces in place, and I want to leave those intact. And after I get the small staples removed, the next step will be to apply tape like I did to this piece, and then these two pieces will be ready for priming. using an epoxy primer on these pieces, and the goal here is just to keep them from rusting. I let the primer dry overnight on these pieces, and then I removed the masking tape. And I was fairly pleased with how it turned out. The next step on these will be to take them to an upholsterer once I find the type of vinyl that I want to put back on them.